So this presentation will talk about evaluating the use of the VPN. So what is VPN stands for? The virtual private network, and it creates a tunnel network connection to the internet or any other public network. It's ideal for establishing a secure connection between private networks with remote users and remote sites. So its primary uses are to avoid ISP internet service provider tracking, to access a home network, for Wi-Fi security, which people seem to use it for more so now at home, to bypass network traffic, and to stream blocked user content. So in this case, say you want to watch something from Netflix in the US, but you are living in UAE, which obviously spoof your network. You would spoof your location to the US location for you to be able to access Netflix in the US. So some of the advantages are it's easy for communication because you don't have to go through all the network traffic. Companies can take advantage of the internet. So because companies have extranet or internet, they're able to use VPN to spoof their location, and people who are working from home who are able to access the company's online resources. It decreases operational costs. As I mentioned before, employees are able to work from home as they were directly connected to the company's network. It extends connection across numerous geographic sites without the use of a leased line. It improves productivity and it improves security, because your IP address that you're using from your device is not going to be connected to, it's not going to be shown on your router. It's going to be a different router because it's going to be in a different location. Disadvantages, it can be illegal like it is here. Slower internet connection as a result. It can also lead to slower internet connection. They can also be connection breaks. There will be specific blockades for specific servers. VPN applications can also log your internet habits and possibly resale them to a third party, and you're not completely aware of how effective the encryption is provided by the service.